the Huntsman. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So today we're making this knife. This is the Huntsman, made in D2. It is a 1/4 of an inch thick. This is a very stout, robust knife. Hollow grind, black linen micarta. All right, stick around. Wait till the end. Alright guys, I hope you appreciate that video. So today this is going to get shipped out. This is a customer's order. Again, D2 steel, 1/4 inch thick. I only have a couple of these left. So if you're interested, go to 3riverblades.com. Also, check out all the links that I have down below. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon member, it only costs you $1 a month. And you get to watch videos like this before anybody else. I also have down there my Amazon store and other links to some merchandise if you're interested in that. And also my other channels. This does come with a Kydex sheath. The customer did want something with a belt loop, a universal belt loop, so you can wear it in a cross draw configuration. All right, hear that click? That's the way it looks. Nothing's coming out. This is a heavy duty knife. Just want to give you an idea what it looks like. And again, you can get the clips in different setups. So if you wanted something in a molly lock, or if you wanted something in a vertical positioning, we could do that too. Just go to the website, pick the one that you like, and start putting in all the accessories. Alright guys, so again, thank you very much. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. It really does help the algorithms. As always guys, stay safe.